Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Galaxy J7 Prime. So in this particular video we'll be going to see how to do a hard reset using stock recovery mode. So let's begin with that. For that you have to restart your phone into the recovery mode. So for that just restart your phone, and as soon as your phone will be restarted just keep on pressing power button, volume up button and this home key button. So three buttons: power button, volume up key button and this home button. So after pressing it, it will show you like this installing update. You don't have to do anything, just wait till this particular process will be initiated to the next step. So afterward you will see like this no command, there is no problem with that. Just wait till the time it will be move to the next screen, that is our stock recovery mode. So after just waiting for 15 to 20 seconds, you will be presented with this particular screen. Here to select, you have to tap on power button, and to move between these options, you have to tap on volume up and down button. So let's say as I've told you that we will be doing hard reset, so I am going to select the another option, that is wipe data and factory reset. So whenever you will be doing this, it will prompt you that if your phone is reset using this particular option, you may need to enter the Google account information, that is email address and password associated with this particular phone, to be able to use it again. And on the contrary, if you haven't set up Google account on it yet, or I would say before doing this particular setup process, you have already removed Google account from your device, then it won't ask. If you have set up password, then it will ask for that. If again you haven't set up any password, then again it will not be asking you anything. So let me just show you by doing this particular part. So like at my side, I haven't set up any Google account or not even a password on this particular phone, because this is just for a demo purpose. So I'm just going to tap on this, and now it will ask, do you want to really do this part? Yes. Just select the yes button and press on power button. Now formatting the data formatting completed and so on, and afterward you will be good to go with the reboot system. Like as I've told you earlier, that if your phone is already associated with some Google account, or you have already implemented password pin pattern, then it will be going to ask you in the next step. But in my case, I have removed it everything, because I usually do factory reset process using this way on my other phones like Asus phone and so on. So I really like the way this particular process does. So now it will proceed with the phone setup process, and before that it will be doing installing application and so on. So we just have to wait till that particular time. And again the rest of these steps are same like the factory data reset process, but we will be viewing each and every step during this particular video. So now it has just initiated the installing application section. Now here all the apps which have been shipped with this particular phone will be going to install, maybe some of the bloatwares like Amazon, Netflix and so on. So as soon as this will be completed, it will initiate the next step, that is phone setup process. So finally the phone setup process has been initiated, or I would say started. So just tap on start button. So whenever, as I've told you that at my side I haven't set up any Google account or password, that's why it is allowing me to connect to Wi-Fi or proceed to the next step. In your case, if it will have a Google account and password, then you won't be proceed further without setting up the connect, I would say Wi-Fi connection and so on, because it will show you a prompt like you have to, this is an unauthorized access or unauthorized attempt made to unlock this phone or to reset this phone. So you have to verify yourself. In that particular case, it will ask you to set up this Wi-Fi connection, and afterward move to the Google account, or it will ask the password of the phone that you might have set. So as for now, as I haven't set anything, that's why it is not asking me anything. It will just be an additional step. So just keep this thing in your mind. So again, as I've told you that nothing has been inserted here now, no same nothing. I haven't connected to Wi-Fi, that's why it is setting everything accordingly. So do you want to set up name? You can. So just for the video part, I'm just keeping this security parameter and so on, because I just want to finish this particular phone setup process ASAP. Now we are almost on a verge of completing this part, and it is asking us to sign up for the Samsung account. So again, I'm just going to skip this part. So we have almost completed the phone setup process, and in within next 5 to 6 seconds we will be directly boot into the home screen. So by this way we have hard reset our phone and able to reset our phone to the, I would say, factory reset or whatsoever you say it, but this is again a second way of doing the data reset or factory reset process, where you should have a information pertaining to the Google account associated on this particular phone, or either if you have kept password or PIN or whatsoever, then it will ask you for that. So this was all from my side related to the how to do the hard reset process in Galaxy J7 Prime. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.